Although I've opened the sample MEP project located in your common folder, this process can be done with any Revit project file. View templates have existed for some time in Revit, but they've been enhanced in the 2013 version. They can be still accessed from the View tab and clicking on View Templates and Manage View Templates. The major difference to View Templates in this version is that they can now be persistent. That is, once you apply it to a view, it stays with the view. So if you want all your HVAC plans to look exactly the same, you can apply a view template and only manage the view template for all your views. I'll close the View Template dialog box and let's take a look at one of the views. Just as in previous releases, I can right-click and apply Template Properties, only this is slightly different to the previous versions. Applying the properties is just like applying the view template in previous versions. If I click on Apply, it changes the properties of the view, but the view template doesn't persist with this view. If I want this behavior to be persistent, from the Properties palette, I can scroll down until I find View Template. In previous versions, this was the default view template. You can see here it's set to none. So if I click on this button and select the mechanical plan, you can now see that I can apply this view template to the view. If I click on OK, we can now see that the mechanical plan view template is assigned to this view. What this means is from Visibility Graphics, I can now no longer change how this view reacts in Visibility Graphics. This also applies to the scale, the level of detail, and shading. In fact, everything that's controlled in the view template. You can see here, if I scroll down to Mechanical Plan, there are only a few boxes unchecked for which we can go and change, or that aren't related to the view template. So I can now select multiple views, assign a view template to those views, and if I go back and have a look or manage the view templates and scroll back down to Mechanical Plan, we can see that we've got 10 views assigned to this template. So any changes I make with regards to visibility will be reflected in all of those views. So this process will make managing projects a lot easier than it has been in previous releases. You're going to be able to manage your views and have more consistent documentation with this updated tool.